Hello everyone and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and it's day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies. Today we're making one of my favorite Christmas treats, chocolate Christmas crack. It only takes a few ingredients and 5 minutes in the oven. So let's jump into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I've double wrapped my baking tray with aluminum foil and I'm going to cover the whole thing in butter. This will make sure our crack doesn't stick.
Lay your crackers evenly across your baking tray. You may have to trim your crackers so that they all fit in. I like to saw through the cracker just a little bit until you hear that. You want the bottom of your tray to be completely covered with crackers. Now set this aside while you make your caramel. To a saucepan, add 227 grams or 1 cup of salted butter and 220 grams or 1 cup of brown sugar. We'll turn that onto medium-high heat and let it start to melt together. Once the sugar has completely melted and your mixture is bubbling, let it go for about 5 minutes on medium heat, stirring continuously. Then pour your butter and sugar mix all over the top of your crackers. You want to make sure to spread it out so that your crackers are completely covered. Now into the oven.
This is going to bake for 5 minutes.
When the 5 minutes is up, take your tray out of the oven and sprinkle 300 grams of chopped chocolate or chocolate chips all over the top. This will start to melt immediately, but we're going to pop it back in the oven for 1 more minute to finish the job. Give your chocolate a smooth with the back of a spoon. And then decorate however you want. I'm using sprinkles on one half and chopped walnuts on the other.
But you could use pretzels or pecans or crunched up peppermint candies, whatever toppings are your favorite. These need to cool for 3 hours before you break them apart and devour.
Then remove the foil and slice into bars. They don't have to be perfect squares. These actually look really pretty cut into little shards.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've missed days 1 through 6, check out my 12 days of Christmas cookies playlist here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more upcoming videos. If you love this treat, give us a big thumbs up and I'll see you tomorrow.